Hi, I'm Megan Hess from This Realty, and I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing here at 674 Skyline Trail in Chester, Massachusetts. Set in from the street, you'll find this beautiful house on a private, spacious piece of land. You'll enjoy the relaxation of country living with quick access to nearby Northampton, Tanglewood, the Berkshires, and more. As a newer construction home built in 2007, it has modern, stylish features while maintaining a warm and welcome ambiance. The farmhouse-style front porch opens to an entryway with high ceiling for ample natural light to make the hardwood floors shine. The large living room has generous windows and offers a comfortable space to entertain loved ones. The open floor plan includes a beautiful kitchen with custom cabinets and clever storage solutions, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar. It overlooks the dining area as well as the sitting area with charming wood-burning stove. The adjacent screened-in porch lets you enjoy the great outdoors from the comfort of home. It opens to the large backyard with impeccable landscaping, stone patio, raised deck, and built-in fire pit. On the second floor, you'll find all 4 bedrooms. They offer comfortable accommodations, but particularly the master bedroom. It has a large vaulted ceiling, extra large closets, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom. It offers a soaking tub with a view of your peaceful wooded backyard. I hope you enjoyed your personal tour of 674 Skyline Trail here in Chester. If you have any questions about this listing or any other listing, please feel free to contact me, Megan Hess, at the number below. Here at This Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.